There's the size difference, stock on top, and the new Yoshi on the bottom. Looks pretty good. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Got her installed. Took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes. Piece of cake. Here we go. Like this exhaust. Oh, that's the perfect sound. Not too loud, just a nice low rumble. Oh, it sounds amazing. Whew. And I'm gonna say I dropped about, I don't know, maybe 3 pounds, I'm guessing. I just picked them both up. I'll say 3 pounds. Let's say this bike weighs like 419 now instead of 422. Oh. Even low RPMs. Can you guys hear that? I have earplugs in. It sounds so good to me. I really like this bike. Yeah, carve it up. Carve it up. Oh, holy moly. Oh no. Traffic. Oh my gosh. This bike is so fun. All clear. Whoops. That is awesome. Feels awesome. It sounds awesome. Oh, yes. Out for some fresh air. Get my mind off of Charlie Kirk. Love that guy. I love it. Thanks for watching. Yeah.